The vast majority of engines that are used today use diesel fuel. Diesel is a dirty fuel. There are clean alternative methods that are out there, and that's where Dynacert is providing an alternative solution by cleaning up the emissions. Hydrogen provides a cleaner burn, and by providing a cleaner burn, you're providing a cleaner atmosphere. In the case of Fortune 500 giant Pepsi, we retrofitted a fleet of over 200 transport trucks with our patented hydrogen technology. These hydrogen-injected trucks operated 2 shifts per day, 200,000 miles per year. Pepsi achieved an average of 15% fuel savings. That's huge. That's over 800,000 gallons saved, and based on today's prices, represents over $3.3 million saved in 1 year. So based on that success alone with Pepsi, we're now more confident than ever before that we're ready to take this technology to the next level. Consider a port. Nearly every aspect of the port involves a diesel application that could benefit from Dynacert's hydrogen technology. From the ship carriers, the generators powering the port, the cranes, the trucks, and with 99% of all containers being moved by rail, let's not forget the trains. We're talking about a multi-million-dollar savings in fuel costs alone and an enormous environmental impact. Another major opportunity is in the Caribbean islands. A typical diesel generator operating there 24/7 consumes over 1.6 million gallons of fuel per year. Our data shows that a single diesel generator retrofitted with our patented hydrogen injection technology can save more than 240,000 gallons per year and yield over $1 million in fuel savings. With hundreds of diesel generators powering these islands, the opportunity is enormous in scale, deployment, sales, and emissions reductions. Remote communities like Alaska use diesel generators almost exclusively for all their power needs. By having the opportunity to put Dynacert into over 30 cities, well over 100 diesel generators, the fuel consumption savings alone, as well as the environmental impact, is just tremendous. Dynacert is growing our team and our reach. We're extremely excited. Our sales and marketing partners are establishing a presence around the globe. We are both in discussions as well as working collaboratively with industry companies and governments, both local and federal, that will see our hydrogen injection technology exported into countries such as China and Pakistan, where the desire to reduce emissions and diesel fuel are becoming top priorities. We're partnering with companies that have a direct impact into the South Asian community, or India as we commonly know it as. The opportunities there are just astronomical when you consider that everything they use is diesel fuel generated. We can't even begin to imagine the impact that it'll have on the environment. Let's keep this simple. Hydrogen injection technology saves fuel, saves emissions. Our mission now is to build a global company through the development of commercially viable hydrogen generating systems. With the recent success on the Pepsi beverage company, we've proven that we will see a program through to completion. We understand and know what it takes to truly make this product work in additional areas or industries and applications where hydrogen, a cleaner burn, and a fuel efficiency is required in order to reduce the emissions. We believe so clearly in the direction that we're going, we built our name on it. Dynacert is a carbon emission reduction technology company that will be able to provide alternative solutions for a carbon-free economy.
Hi, I'm Jerry Solinsky, President and CEO of Dynamic Fuel Systems Incorporated. We're here today with aving.net in Las Vegas at the World Renewable Energy Conference. In front of you sits our patent-pending Jetstar product. It is a product that creates hydrogen on demand. In doing so, we take distilled water through the intake manifold in a dry gas state by splitting the hydrogen and oxygen atoms away from each other. The benefits are a reduction in fuel consumption, a reduction in emissions, an increase in horsepower and torque, and a reduction in your overall maintenance. We are going to display how to change the fuel source behind the product's benefits. Our 2-liter bottle, which David Sikkema, a consultant for Dynamic Fuels in the state of California, is changing at the moment, takes a 2-liter bottle and inserts that by screwing it into the Jetstar. in which will operate the vehicle between 2,500 and 4,000 miles in use. We have now moved to the inside of the cab of the passenger vehicle, where we sit once again with David Sikkema to instruct how our in-cab monitor works for the driver.
Yeah, while we're driving, we can check the operation of the system by looking at the display screen, seeing that the Jetstar is indeed running, and if there is an error code, it tells us the error code and what to do to fix it.
Hi, we've now moved to the front of the passenger vehicle that we've installed the Jetstar on. Two clear devices that we're going to draw attention to are the red box that specifically allows for the pressure not to accumulate while the vehicle is off. It only operates while the vehicle is on. Second, the hydrogen is being induced through the intake manifold of any combustion engine through this chamber. Now this is a passenger vehicle setup where we've seen similar styles of injection through the over-the-road truck environment, as well as stationary generators, marine, and more importantly, locomotive applications. The benefits to the product have yielded a better than 10% fuel consumption savings, a significant reductions in emissions for clean air, and more importantly, the maintenance cycle has been reduced significantly while still seeing an increase in horsepower and torque. This now concludes our basic orientation behind our Jetstar technology here at the World Renewable Energy Conference. We'd like to thank you, aving.net, for having us here today. And more importantly, we'd welcome an opportunity to bring our Jetstar technology to you tomorrow.
In case of Fortune 500 giant Pepsi, we retrofitted a fleet of over 200 transport trucks with our patented hydrogen technology. These hydrogen-injected trucks operated 2 shifts per day, 200,000 miles per year. Pepsi achieved an average of 15% fuel savings. That's huge. That's over 800,000 gallons saved, and based on today's prices, represents over $3.3 million saved in 1 year. So based on that success alone with Pepsi, we're now more confident than ever before that we're ready to take this technology to the next level.